Welcome everyone. Myself Suman, Assistant Professor working in Department of Civil Engineering, PUS College of Engineering, Mandya. So everybody welcome to the Geotechnical Engineering Laboratory. Today we will discuss about California Bearing Ratio Test, which in short is also called as CBR test. So California Bearing Ratio, why it is important? So in order to determine the strength of subgrade, so we will use this California bearing ratio. The strength of subgrade is an important factor to determine the thickness of flexible pavement. So the thickness of flexible pavement will be increased if the strength of subgrade is less and vice versa. So the strength of subgrade is therefore an important factor which is expressed in terms of percentage. So then what do you mean by this California bearing ratio? So we define it's nothing but the rate of force per unit area. So the rate of force unit area obtained when 50 mm plunger is penetrated at a rate of 1.25 mm per minute over a soil mass to that of a corresponding penetration of standard material, which is nothing but there will be one standard plunger which will be penetrated to the soil mass at some rate. Then certain amount of force is obtained. That amount to that of a standard material. Standard material will be some kind of aggregate. That ratio we call it as a California bearing ratio. The amount of penetration will be taken for two values, one for 2.5 mm penetration and other for 5 mm penetration. Next, the apparatus which are required for the California bearing ratio test. The first one is the CBR apparatus. And the next we will be using cylindrical mold. So this is the cylindrical mold that we are going to use, inside which the soil will be compacted. So it consists of a diameter of 150 mm and a height of 175 millimeter. And also this requires a plunger which is shown in the equipment, which is will be having a 50 mm diameter. And then it consists of a base plate. Over this base plate the cylindrical mold will be placed. So the next, it consists of a surcharge weight. So we are here during test we will use a surcharge weight of 5 kg. A surcharge weight of 5 kg is 2.5 kg each. So these surcharge weights indicates the thickness of pavement which will be coming over the subgrade. And then we are going to use a rammer for the compaction. We are just going to use a rammer of 4.9 kgs and height of fall will be 450 millimeter. Here we are going to do heavy compaction to prepare the mold. So now we will begin with the experimental demonstration for California bearing ratio test, for which we are supposed to take the soil. The soil which is used for the construction of subgrade is to be taken. This soil should pass 20 mm sieve. The quantity of soil depends upon the size of the mold. Experimental purpose, we have taken about 5 kg of sample. This is calculated by taking the dimensions of mold. That is, area is calculated by taking the diameter and it is multiplied with the depth of the sample, for which we are adding optimum moisture content of water. Add the water up to its optimum moisture content and mixing it thoroughly. The molds are oiled initially before beginning the experiment. This is the spacer disc which are supposed to be kept at the bottom, upon which we are keeping the mold. First layer of soil. And now the compaction is done by using rammer. So before putting a layer above another, the bottom layer should be scratched well. After 5 layers of compaction, the collar will be removed and the excess of soil is cutted off and trimmed well. So after cutting the excess of soil, the sample will be look like this. Now we are removing the spacer disc which is kept at the bottom. So this is the CBR apparatus. This is the plunger which is 50 mm in diameter. This is the load cell, and this is the LVDT. These are the sensors. It is also called as linearly variable displacement transducer. So now we will place the mold on the base plate of the equipment. The space which has been formed during the compaction, since we have kept the spacer disc, in that space now we will placing the surcharge weights. So each surcharge weight is a 2.5 kg. A total of 5 kg surcharge weight will be placed. This surcharge will act as the pavement which will be coming over the subgrade soil sample. The sample has been placed in the equipment. The transducer is placed on the top of the sample. Now the instrument is turned on, so the base plate will be raised and the load will be applied. So the corresponding displacement and the corresponding loads are observed here. So displacement indicates the penetration which is happening on the soil mass, and the corresponding loads are recorded for every 0.5 millimeter. So these are the readings which has been tabulated from California bearing ratio test. So the penetration and the corresponding load has been tabulated. The penetration of 2.5 and 5 mm are noted. Later a graph is plotted in order to know the nature of the graph. No initial dip is observed. Therefore no correction is required. And now CBR value is calculated by using the formula. The load value obtained for 2.5 mm penetration is 0.65 in kilonewton. It has been converted into kg. 0.65 kilonewton gives 66.28 kg. Divided by the standard value for 2.5 mm penetration is 1370 into 100. When we substitute the value, we will get the CBR value of 4.83. For 5 mm penetration, the load observed is 1.01 kilonewton. So 1.01 kilonewton when converted into kg, it gives 102.98 kg. 102.98 divided by standard value. So the standard value for 5 mm penetration is 2055. So into 100 we will get 5% CBR. So the maximum CBR for both the penetration values, whichever value is maximum, will be considered as the CBR value for the given soil sample. In this sample, 5% CBR is considered as the CBR value. Thank you.